So into week 9, Septic finally arrived the 18th of August, and they started digging to install the septic. I wasn't able to be out on the site while they were doing it like I wanted to do, so it's kind of a bummer on that. I mean, 9 weeks is already crazy. So anyways, it wasn't on the septic company that we're using. It was on the county with their permitting. Damn bureaucracy. But anyways, so I'm going to try to take a bunch of the screenshots I got off of the camera I have on the property, and then just narrate it by adding some text to the video clip with all the screenshots. This is day 1. I know that they will be coming back for a final inspection, and then after the final inspection, they have to come back in, put the rock in, gravel, whatever you want to call it, and then fill back in with dirt, and we'll be done with septic. So just want to kind of give you guys another update of where we're at. Septic's dug in the ground, leach lines are in the ground. I can't, any of the snapshots I got from the camera, I couldn't see the leach lines, but a couple of them saw one of the guys down in the trench putting the covers and stuff and all the piping in. And then at the end, they ran from the septic to the corner of where we have our house staked off at, where we're going to build, and then over to the RV pad, where we're going to build we're going to put the RV so we have somewhere to stay while we're, doing some of our builds out there.